Going in the living room is Floyd with his new glasses. See? Smile. See? Your new haircut, new glasses. Linda's new haircut. And her new glasses, new frames next.
One thing that I said on every other movie.
Stop. Cool. And they're sitting here playing Nintendo. Yep, Final Fantasy 2. Yeah, it is. Okay, signing off. It's May 31st, 1996.
7:36 in the evening.
That's right. This is Melissa with their purr.
Let me show you.
Oh, you're too close. Hold on. See her purr? Okay, turn around. Oh, the body and her hair. She curly, my man. Curly Sue. Here she is, Curly Sue.
Those puppy dogs are getting inside.
Yeah.
Beautiful, eh?
Yeah. So, put your glasses back on. So now we got 3 kids.
With glasses.
With glasses. 1, 2,
And you're going to your
3. And I go to my eye appointment on Tuesday. And I'm not going to get glasses though. I have good eyes. I'm signing out.
Bye.
Let's door. Hey guys. I got your camera. There they go. What?
Can I get a Gatorade with the extra buddy?
No.
We'll spend every single bit.
You get it in popsicles, Sarah Lynn.
Yeah.
See ya.